Attach the grinder atop the drive socket. Tighten the wing nut and place the rollers so they run properly down the outlet. Attach the spatula. And then the cutting blade of your choice. And finally, the locking ring. Put the machine on its side and mount the feeding tray. You can grind all types of meat, fish, potatoes, nettles, spinach, oranges, and more. Be sure that the ingredients have enough room in the measuring spout. Put the machine on medium speed. When you are grinding, use the measuring spout for refilling. Use nothing else, as it could harm you or your assistant. To roughly clean the mill after using it, chop a little hard bread, hard biscuits, or onion so the mill will be easier to wash.